Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I am Ikhlas and today we will be doing the teaser of Prestige Claremont by Prestige Group. The project is located near Kanchi, Gachibowli Road, Neopolis, Hyderabad. But before starting, let me show you the surroundings of the project. As you can see, we are standing at the exact location of the project. So this is your marketing office and the land parcel is right below it. Now let me quickly tell you what exactly is Housey. So you see, Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Unlike any other current listing platform where if you do inquiry, your number is shared with multiple brokers creating chaos. But with Housey, it is directly done by the developer. So stop going here and there and book your dream home directly through Housey. In the video, we will be discussing the below points like project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers, and many more. So let's get this video started. So the first one is the project overview. Prestige Claremont, Hyderabad will be constructed on 7.56 acres of land parcel featuring 5 towers with 3 basements plus 2 podium ground and 38 floors having spacious 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residences. Coming over to the location part, as you can see, I'm standing at the exact location of the project. This is your connectivity. That side of the road connects you to the outer ring road, Neopolis, financial district and many more. Now, the project is located in Kanchi Gachibowli Road, Neopolis, Hyderabad, with Nehru Outer Ring Road being only 2.4 kilometers away, Technology being 2.8 kilometers away, and Neopolisa Lake only 3.1 kilometers away. Coming over to the amenities part, the project provides you with luxury lifestyle amenities like a grand clubhouse, swimming pool, fully equipped gymnasium, indoor games, children's play area, and many more. Coming over to the super built-up area, as mentioned, the project offers premium residences with super built-up area approximately for 3 BHK 1,980 to 2,944 square feet and 4 BHK 3,500 to 4,060 square feet onwards. Coming over to the booking process, let's discuss the booking process. So as of now, the project booking windows are open and the clients are invited to the site where the sales team will explain the complete project details, will share you the pricing and the payment plans as well. You will also be shown the sample flat apartment and taken at the actual site location. And if the client likes the project, they can proceed for booking by paying a certain token amount. So everyone, this was the teaser of Prestige Claremont by Prestige Group, which is located in Neopolis. Lastly, do not forget to subscribe to Housey for more such amazing videos.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.